Hello.
Oh,
After you, darling.
hello.
A little of your snowflakes.
Full of little snowflakes.
Wally's World.
We're at Wally's World.
And,
We just had Cuban.
And before we get started,
Not the gumdrop button. Okay, Walmart has some cute stuff here. But I like that.
I like it.
That's perfect for you.
I love that. I mean, red's my color.
Yeah, Walmart is keeping it kind of spooky. How much is this one? $12.98.
$1.98, and they got the pants.
Ooh,
here.
I like. Ooh, this would match.
Yeah.
If
exactly.
anybody went to the show, the Beetlejuice show,
Yes.
this would match the shirt. I have the shirt. That would match it.
So you can get the whole set for $30, roughly.
Yeah, together.
Not bad. That's pretty good.
Yeah. And then there's this one. I like that one. In Your Dreams.
I wouldn't advise this only because A, it's not very comfortable. And,
You could tell it's not even forming to your head. It's
no, it's no.
Look at this cool 3D card with the Grinch and the like original illustration style.
I like that.
And Max and all the Who's down in Whoville who loved who loved Christmas a lot.
I think
Anyways.
that's how it went.
This is cute.
Something along the lines of that. That sounds about right.
That's cute. Oh my god, and then in the back, this is so detailed. Cindy. That's awesome. How much is this?
That's an actual
I don't see it. Yeah, this is a card.
Let me see. Try. There's no price, so you know.
If you have to ask, you
No. Yeah. We'll just keep it up here for decoration and just. Hey.
It's fragile. I can't get over how cute some of these pieces are from the new Makeup Revolution Elf collection. And I was also impressed with all the cute ornaments that Walmart had, and the prices were pretty great. There were tons of gingerbread designs, and I guess I've never really looked at Walmart ornaments because I don't have a tree, but I do want one, and this seems like a good place to get them. This tray of gingerbreads was by far my favorite ornament in the store. How could you not love them? This is Grinch sock. Oh, it's a stocking holder, so you can hang your Grinch sock. It's cute. Oh my goodness. It's cute. Another holder. I like this one. This golden doodle blow mold was the cutest thing. And since we were all wondering if the googly eyes Googled, I had to make sure, and now you know. They do. It's a little gingerbread.
That is cute.
That's super cute. And then there's like a little gingerbread lady. What's on her mouth though?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know if that looks right there.
No. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of just. I am the fool.
$24.98 for a giant Cindy Lou.
Wow. At Wally World. Isn't she precious? I mean, they're both precious. Isn't she lovely? Mr. Grinch. How much is that one? Same price, I'm assuming?
Yes, $24.98.
Wow. Nice. Very nice. And then you got these little things. Yeah.
Hey, he has his...
I love being the cameraman for once. I love it. And then look at all these cute ones here.
You know which one I like most?
The bird.
No. Well,
No?
actually, yeah, the bird is cute, but the gingerbread.
Oh yeah, the ginger woman. Yeah.
Gingerbread.
The ginger woman.
Which one?
Oh, look at that. Krusty Krab. He's so happy and cheerful.
He has a camel toe.
Uh,
Right?
What did you just say? Upon video review? Oh yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. Oh, well. Sorry, kids. Okay, so yeah, you got the Highlander cow.
Where's the Santa? Look at his slippers.
Oh my god, I didn't even notice that.
The details.
Now see, I wonder why Walmart doesn't have Harry Potter, but it has Ron Weasley.
Yeah, they only have Ron.
And it lights up too.
Maybe Harry is more popular.
That noise.
There's definitely a lot here.
Hello, little snowflakes.
Hello. It's Friday night and no one's at the movies. I'm surprised.
Yep, and we're going to see
Where is it? Oh. Ta-da.
Happy Hooker Day.
Just a chillax day. Have some snacks, illegal snacks. Anybody interested in seeing the new Mean Girls movie?
I'm not.
I personally am not sure about Mean Girls, but I definitely do want to see Wonka, which is coming out this Friday, and Poor Things looks amazing, and I definitely want to see those. What are you going to see? Do you want to see Mean Girls? Are you interested in Wonka? Of course, I love the original. And Poor Things, have you seen it? Have you seen the trailer, rather?
Hello, me.
Uncle.
There's nobody here but us.
Dr. Pepper?
As for me as well, thank you.
That fell on the floor in the gas station?
Yeah, don't remind me.
Cute snacks.
Look at that.
Mine are like home.
Look at this, it's so pointy. And cheers.
Cheers. Ding. The Hunger Games was so flipping good. It made both of us want to go back and watch the older movies again. On Saturday, we're having family over to celebrate Hanukkah and my mom's birthday. And my mom requested I make black and white cookies, and my family also wanted them as well. And they're pretty easy to make. I'm gonna list the recipe down below just in case. I've made a few recipes and this one has been my favorite, and it's pretty easy. These were my Frankenstein cookies. Yes, it looks like a bed. I had extra batter. Okay, I just finished and now they just have to dry and the icing will harden.